Alright guys, so here's our second workout up on Quarry Rock here with BAXTER PT on Instagram. This one's going to be a little bit more dynamic, a little bit mobility stuff, but also using that body. So don't know what you call it, rock parkour, something crazy. Let's get at it. So there you have it, our second workout on Quarry Rock. Hit it in the same day. One's more of a kind of dynamic yoga flow. We warmed up the legs on the way up here. We mobilized the body, we activate the core, and then that routine turned into a little bit more kind of upper body, shoulders, dynamic flow using the joints. Obviously the GH joint in that full circumduction, full ball and socket joint, so using it in mobility and strength. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. Build that body, love that life. Thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.